December, Jpac Jereba Akwa Nebe Hotel, Jpac poison. Yeah.
Any poison.
This is life air now. Maybe Jpac is listening.
Hey!
Jpac poison. Yeah. The poison on my home.
And my brother, my brother, God bless you with wisdom. Abraham Jpac showed the lucky that they did not use Akwa to poison him direct. Hey! Chineke! Exactly!
On my broadcast, I believe it's listening to you.
Hey!
Igbo mulunze moze kene mu ni bonde manje mu na news na reach an ọtụtụ unu mana ọ na-ahịọrọ so efele mba ụwa kịta ọ na-akpọtụsi ike na efele mba ụwa na biko o nwere ihe a na-akụ a na-ekwu ya na asị na ji agụgo Jpac na nya ha ndị dibịa aka mana biko onwe ihe mere n'ụtụtụ anụ anyị niile nọkwa a na-asị Jpac na n'oge echi na ha ekwu so one man kpọọ na phone gọvanọ eziokwu bụ afịa o wee kọwa ka esi wee nye Jpac poison mgbe emepelu hotel Akwa Okuko na-enye Jpac poison still Jpac were obi umeala na-eso ndị a ọkọwa wee nwecha so many things the man may expose na that video that so many people are not even aware of. So biko ụmụnna gene ntị gụ na amaghọdụ ihe na-eme na efele mba ụwa a na-akọkwasị gị na Akwa Okuko nwere idea na ya akpọlụ Jpac 5 days before abịa kpọlụ Jpac na Akwa Okuko ọ sị na Akwa Okuko nwere idea ya na ya akpụ Jpac so na ihe o medewu na ọjọọ sụkpa na-eche ka akpọlụ Jpac before mee video ozugbo a na-akpọ ha na Jpac gba m na-apụta Akwa Okuko je mee video wee kube kwuchacha the man kpọkwa ya na phone na-asị ya nna ka video anụ nwe ị na-eme we are doing it because of Jpac ọsị mba ọ bụrụ Jpac mana iji ọnụ gị confess ya si na agwago gị na ya ebulu Jpac 5 days before ebuo Jpac na enwere idea ya Jpac malụ ndị oyi gị malụ ndị kpọrọ ndị oyi gị kịta ekwe akụọ na ama agbana n'ihu akwụkwọ hey ka video abịa na-enecha like this ya na-agba n'aka na-asị na ịmahụ n'ụdị ihe adị na ihe anụ ha na-emapụta asị gị na alụsị gburu mmadụ na-asị na ha pụtaghị eji enye gbuo ego mmadụ with poison nọ ha chọrọ ime Jpac ha mezie Jpac asị na ejikwa wee tụọ ya na alụsị igbuo ya nọ ha chọrọ iji poison gbu Jpac mana chukwu ya mụ anya na mere ha egbubere ya ruo kịta ngwanụnụ enye video akwa unofu.
My Bible tells me that even those who derive pleasure in these things, the same measure of punishment give to them. So, my Dibiano Nashline Yamoyana support here, they are of the same grade. And let me tell you one thing, I have no regret standing for what is right.
Exactly.
You know, and none of us should have regret.
Never.
But otherwise, everything should not be said on the air. Everybody hold your petition, your action.
That is it. Petition. Agara.
But at all requests, we will make sure that these guys will be brought to book.
I'm telling you, what kind of intimidation is this?
So it will not continue. I don't take back now. Then we are justified because as they would have obtained sympathy from the people. So SOB and his cohorts, they made a very silly mistake.
Big one.
You know what these people did? I tell you that SOB spent nothing less than 4 to 4.5 million.
I'm accurate here. 4 to 5 million.
Yeah. Out of pride.
Out of pride. Oh God. Poor people.
My dear.
Yes, is being suppressed. The same poor people. No, Imraro.
So because Jpac should avoid Akwa and whatever.
Totally. Abraham, the greatest enemy today is Akwa Okuko.
Is Akwa?
Oh well.
I told Akwa on the call. I spoke to Akwa for over 1 hour and I motioned blame. This is their live broadcast. I'm saying it.
I hope he record yo. I hope he record ya. Nonsense.
No. At least he knows I'm saying it on live camera. He knows I'm saying the truth. I told him you have traded Akwa or same noble Jpac or same noble Jpac video. You and Akwa said that Niama 5 days ago. Niama 5 days before the day.
No, from governor. From high. My brother, because where phone now to know people now know the full story. Because teacher ya no get.
When I called Akwa to blame him, see, why did you make such video? I spoke to him with him to an extent, to some deep extent. We spoke for over 1 hour and asked him. Akwa opened his mouth and told me, Niama, Niaji the information 5 days before that day when the Jpac. I repeat, Mr. Bobble saying that Akwa saying that Niama an idea 5 days before the Jpac.
Okay.
So let this thing sink into the minds and the marrows of Jpac, and not only Jpac, to many others. But let me tell you, Jpac should take this to his heart and mind. A lot of people started going to Akwa because they saw him at Jpac, and they were misled. So Jpac, you still owe the general public an apology.
Exactly. My brother, please hold. My brother, please hold on. Imam na agba Jpac na on do for this guy no na agba Isiagu. It just one time in the video. Did you remember that time? Okay, continue. Continue.
Yes. So Jpac, you owe Ndi Igbo and Nigerians, Africans an apology because whether you somebody started following Akwa, somebody went to Akwa because of
you, many.
I don't know if you have collected money from Omenala Igbo before and give to Akwa.
Hey!
Apologize to those people. Akwa is fake. Akwa has no power. No one can.
Fake as in fake as Subaho to Leje Jiga Inin. Or fake.
So, guy Kahanaro. And I thank God for Akwa Okuko. Akwa, you have tried. You want to go hotel. Go back there. Start doing them. You can wait to go. Leave this one. That's one call. We are closing.
Oh, that is the end. This is the end of it.
We are closing the business. About we are and the Jpac. Who no one know Jpac on our home party. Remember, the day of celebration came with John the Baptist, and this is the air now. This is the public I'm saying this. So get it that can write this down. Last year December, Jpac in Geneva upon the Bebe Hotel. Jpac poison. Yeah.
Engine poison.
This is live air now. Maybe Jpac is listening.
Hey!
Jpac poison. Yeah. The poison on my home.
And my brother, my brother, God will bless you with wisdom. Abraham Jpac showed the lucky that they did not use Akwa to poison him direct. Hey! Chineke!
So that
exactly!
On my broadcast, I believe it's listening to you.
Hey!
That guy is in we have even Mapa Hamaro. On the Ruchala, just back on the Ruchala 4 days before Yaba Kanomakani, their boys in there. He was vomiting blood.
In the show, party where?
So, Jpac did not learn here.
Ashebakwaru. Share no this program, Unela Manamu.
That is why if you see me na and I don't say have matter no poison.
Poison! Head who kidnapper, they will poison you.
Drag you close. So that is what is going on. And let them there comes the time. This is the word of wisdom. There comes a time when they give doctors, those their beautiful hotels will go down. I don't know.
Not just read threats now. Hey,
Any of them will be on the run. It will come to pass. You will see it. Because you see that crowd supporting them now. That same crowd gave me somebody here one morning. They will never learn. So, again, with 3 million naira, God walking anywhere. He's wasting his own time.
Okay, wait. My brother, I want him to my Igbo brothers, I just want to be polite. That 3 million in Enya, but getting a pana have borrowed where that okite go ego. That's money in Enya, getting an aquana head, you borrow where the okito. Kenya go and collecting the money from you. Why is it okay matter with Enya? Because people generated money. Hey, Chineke.
Okay, my sister, okay, so that other people can call.
Yeah, go ahead.
And when it gave the right, a native doctor, when it was human cause, nice. Get the right, somebody were under this dispensation. For one attack, for people are buying fuel for 600 naira. Go to Abuja, go to Lagos. I was in Abuja a few days ago before I flew to Lagos. If you see people trekking, if I open them matter that you have that kind of knowing that black person is comfortable somewhere, and somebody will also need that is right now. What you know, what you do,
and in the government, wasn't in the government allowing them this thing to be Chineke.
Then everybody must pressure them. Lanya, I'm an Igbo light. I am proud of Imo State. I'm saying it.
I'm telling Anambra just want these people on getting.
Day before yesterday, the police, the Imo State Police Command, invaded the shrine. Abraham with their box. The videos are online. Abraham with their casket, small casket. They try to grab all 100. Then with them, they are handing mad. Without Imo light exposing this one, they were only you are struggling somewhere in America. You are struggling somewhere in Aba. Imaru that somebody somewhere is showing you wickedness.
Poisoning.
We must rise and write to the National Assembly. We must rise up and write to the Senate. Persuade the Senate President.
I am the only option. Because if you guys have not started complaining, they will not know that this thing is the problem. People need to stand up on their feet to complain.
There is need for that. Those who have the governor's phone number, governor of Anambra State, they will find one that maybe not. Maybe on a WhatsApp or have a one sort to him. Even if it's a text message. The text message. Ndi Igbo, President General, being Chief Omenala Igbo, we can start writing to them. Then we'll make sure we call it to police from invading them. A check on that, there's been a woman 70 years old, and when they be all of them does the same thing. And the big homo, but this practice have been done there. Did you know that they were one girl on a rap before? That lady was kidnapped before. Are you aware? Did you know that Umongaba can beat anybody? That was why Akwa came out on camera to flog somebody. Did you remember that video?
Yeah.
That is an assault to the youth of Nigeria and Ndi Igbo. How dare you as a native doctor put on a camera, appear mad here?
Disgrace, Disgrace,
on camera, killing the image of that boy. SOB did not sue at that time. SOB did not sue at that time. SOB have the capacity now. They can go police on which anybody can do to him. SOB must be prosecuted.
When okay, who can she be kidnapped? He has to give accountable to others.
Nobody should do him anything outside. Nobody should do him anything outside the law. The only thing, everybody should focus their eyes and attention on this SOB.
I'm telling you.
The Igbos can do it again. Okay?
All right, my brother. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I can try Bonnie and ask because you see any video na subscribe like na this station, this channel. You subscribe to channel bell notification ge. O we make na elu onye opponent. Because you see like this video, drop a comment again na comment so like kwa ya. God video na enwe ike na aga viral the more. maka ka anyị si afụ ya ka anyị si wetara unu anyị na-abụkarị breaking news mgbe ọbụla ọ pụta ha na efere m woto ka anyị na-enye onye ọbụla anyị ekwughị ya na chanel anụnwa na ebe anụnwa anya na-ekwu nke bụ eziokwu. Imeta ihe eji eje eto dike imetakwanụ nke eji ama dike n'ọgbere anyị amaghị gị n'ọgbere na onwe ha na-eme nnọọ mma niile si n'ụjụ enweghị onye ebi n'ụwa forever. Onye ọbụla nwụrụ taa na onye nwụ 100 years ka bụ ofu ihe. Ị na-aghọta? Onye nwụ taa na onye nwụ na 100 years ka bụ ofu ihe a na-eko ga-aka eko wee n'elu onye ajụkwa wee mee ka nna mma niile si n'ụzọ mma niile jekọ n'ụzọ. Onye na-aghọta? Ekwuchakwa m ka ọha m n'ọnụ ka anyị nwere mgbe ọzọ.